Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about the difference between share buybacks and dividend payments. Number 1. Share buybacks mean a company repurchases its own shares from the market, whereas dividend payments mean a company distributes cash directly to shareholders. Number 2. Share buybacks mainly aim to reduce the number of outstanding shares and improve per-share metrics, whereas dividend payments mainly aim to provide regular income to shareholders. Number 3. Share buybacks give investors an indirect return through higher ownership value per remaining share. On the other hand, dividend payments provide a direct cash return. Number 4. Share buybacks decrease the total number of shares outstanding, whereas dividend payments do not change the number of shares outstanding. Number 5. Share buybacks usually increase earnings per share by lowering the share count, whereas dividend payments do not directly increase earnings per share. Number 6. In share buybacks, investors receive money only if they sell their shares, whereas in dividend payments, eligible shareholders receive cash automatically. Number 7. With share buybacks, tax often happens when investors sell shares and realize gains, whereas with dividend payments tax may apply when the dividend is received. Number 8. Share buybacks are usually more flexible for the company and easier to adjust. On the other hand, dividend payments are often expected to remain stable once they are established. Number 9. Share buybacks can signal that management believes the stock is undervalued, whereas dividend payments can signal confidence in steady cash generation. Number 10. Share buybacks are often preferred by growth-oriented or tax-sensitive investors, whereas dividend payments are often preferred by income-focused investors. Number 11. Share buybacks may support the stock price through reduced supply and improved per-share value, whereas dividend payments usually have a less direct effect on stock price support. Number 12. Share buybacks are easier to pause during uncertain or volatile earnings periods, whereas dividend cuts may be viewed negatively by the market. Number 13. Share buybacks increase the ownership percentage of remaining shareholders, whereas dividend payments do not change ownership percentage. Number 14. Share buybacks are best suited for firms with excess cash and opportunistic capital allocation, whereas dividend payments are better suited for firms with stable earnings and predictable cash flows. Number 15. Share buybacks aim to enhance shareholder value through share reduction and capital efficiency, whereas dividend payments aim to reward shareholders through regular cash distribution. In summary, share buybacks return value by reducing share count and potentially boosting per-share value, whereas dividend payments return value through direct cash income to shareholders. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.